Microsoft Power BI is a collection of online services and features to find and visualize data, share discoveries, and collaborate in intuitive new ways. The Power BI experience comes from PowerBI.com, an online service where Lydia can quickly create dashboards, share reports, and directly connect to and incorporate all the project data that's important to her. Under My Workspace, there are sections for dashboards, reports, and datasets. In Dashboards, Lydia can place reports previously created in the Reports section. The reports are interactive, resizable, and can be rearranged by a simple drag and drop. Power BI has a powerful new feature called Quick Insights. This feature is great for those who want to build a dashboard quickly but do not know how to start or to discover relationships and project data that may not be apparent at first glance. Among the types of insights Power BI can find are major factors, category or time series outliers, time series trends or seasonality, and correlations. Quick Insights quickly searches different subsets of Lydia's dataset while applying sophisticated algorithms to discover and display potentially interesting insights. A Quick Insight card has controls to add the visualization to the dashboard or to open it in full screen mode. Pausing on a chart element displays the underlying data. In full screen mode, Lydia can indicate whether this insight was useful. This helps the system learn what kind of insights to look for in the future. She decides to add this report to the dashboard. Lydia returns to the dashboard and sees the report just added from the Quick Insights page. The reports are configurable. In addition to moving or resizing a report, Lydia can access other options through the Context menu. These pre-configured dashboards are great. But what if Lydia has a question that isn't easily answered in a dashboard? One way to explore her data is to ask a natural language question and let Power BI Q&A give an answer in the form of a visualization and in almost real time. Lydia is interested in exploring further the project cost distribution. In particular, she wants to know who owns the highest cost projects and how these projects are distributed across departments. Lydia starts the query by using the same language as in the existing pie chart. This does not add any information to what she already knows. So Lydia adds another term by project owner to the query. This adds the information Lydia needs. But she wants the display to be sorted, so she adds descending to the query. The bar chart view is not ideal for Lydia's needs. So she goes to the Visualizations pane and selects the Tree Map option. This is perfect. And Lydia pins it to the dashboard.